What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving the Mind with Money. Yesterday, we made a video with the 7 top side hustles that we've tested and we've done before. And I say we because it's me and 2 other business partners as well. Maybe later in the month you'll see one of their faces. The other one's a silent partner, unfortunately. But yeah, so we did the 7 side hustles you should try in 2022. So today I'm going to explain one of them for you because I got a lot of questions on Instagram and stuff about this. So yeah, I'm going to explain one for you. So today we are covering drop servicing. So yesterday I gave you a slight example of it, not so in depth. But today I'll explain how it works, and I'll also later give you guys a tutorial on how it works. So yeah, definitely check out the tutorial video. It can make you a lot of money. As I've said, I started with drop servicing. I don't do it anymore, but I've got people doing it for me. So yeah. So basically how drop servicing works. You all heard of drop shipping, right? So drop shipping is you create a website, an e-commerce website. You put other people's products. So basically you go to Alibaba or even Amazon. You put a product on your website from them and you just increase the price a bit to give yourself a profit. So when you get an order, you basically go buy it on Amazon and then just deliver it to the person. And that's the basic concept of drop shipping. And obviously you keep the profits. But my problem with drop shipping is there's a big refund policy and stuff. So if someone says, there's a problem with this product. Let's say you sell t-shirts and there's a problem with the print. There might not even be one, but they want a refund. Now, if you are, I guess you're here because you don't know all this stuff, so you don't have a massive budget to start with. So let's say you started your drop shipping business with $50 and that's your life savings or whatever. And now you have to give a refund. What are you going to do? You're in trouble. And that's why I like drop servicing, because it doesn't have such a big problem, if you understand what I mean. You won't lose money. You might not make money if you don't do it correctly, but you'll never lose money. So back to the topic at hand, drop servicing. So drop servicing is just like drop shipping, except for it's with services and not with products. You've all heard about freelancers, right? So basically, let's take an example. Ghostwriting is always my example when it comes to drop shipping. Drop servicing. So basically, you go on Upwork or People Per Hour or one of those places, and you create a profile saying, I will create a 1,000-page ebook for $200. That's your title, and then the smart way is to copy one of the bigger creators, copy their description, just change that up a bit, and then you charge $200 or you charge $150, but I usually recommend $200 for this. Then as soon as you get a gig, let me explain. A gig is as soon as a client comes to you and says, listen, I want this, and just the $200. So basically they'll come to you on the website. You'll get a notification saying, listen, you've got a client, you've got a gig, and then they will give their demands. So now, here's the easy part and the nice part. It's almost like arbitrage, but yeah, not really. So basically, now you go over to the cheaper freelancing websites. Let's say Fiverr, let's say FlexJobs, maybe even freelancer.com. I haven't actually used freelancer.com, so maybe just do research, but I recommend Fiverr. Now, you search your title. I will create a 1,000-page ebook Okay, cool. Now you'll see on Fiverr that 1,000-page ebook costs $50, but you just charged someone $200 for this book. But now you're asking, so am I gonna have to write a book? I don't know how to. Don't worry, I also don't know how to. That's not how you make your money. Now you go to Fiverr. You already received your $200. You go to Fiverr. You pay $50 for someone. You've got the information. You know what you have to do. Like, they've got a request, so you send that request straight to a freelancer on Fiverr that charges $50, and easy as that. You finish it up, you send it to your client, $150 profit. And don't get stuck on the ghostwriting. That's just an example. You can do it for website designing, you can do it for YouTube video editing, you can do it for whatever you like. I always recommend do something that you are interested in, that you are passionate about. I mean, you're not doing any work, but at least when it comes back to you from the Fiverr gig, before you confirm, you can at least say, listen, this is good or this is not. The problem is if you do, let's say, website designing and you know nothing about coding, then when it comes back, you think it looks good, you send it to your client and your client refuses, well, rejects or give you a bad rating. So make sure it's something you know a bit about, and if you don't know something, just YouTube it. Like, everybody has a tutorial on something. And yeah, that's basically how job servicing works. And if you get a great rating, you know, your rating goes up, you can make up to $500 a day with this. And I'm not even kidding. For basically sitting back, playing games, waiting for your notification, or you know what, watching Netflix, waiting for your notification saying you've got to order, then just placing it on Fiverr, then just watching Netflix or playing games again, and then you just wait for it to be completed. Then you'll most likely get a tip because it will be done professionally by a professional, and meanwhile you're not the one doing this. And also, it is not illegal. I know it sounds illegal, it's not. I will link a full blog post about that down below. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, I've got something else. Oh, before I forget, remember to take the job quiz down in the description. So basically, it's a quiz that can place you at a company that pays you $25 to $50 per hour just to be on Facebook and just to be on Instagram. So take the quiz. Maybe you make it, maybe you don't. But yeah, take it. And then also, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've put a free ebook, affiliate A to Z handbook for you guys down in the description. Check it out. It's free. Who doesn't love free stuff? And then yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I'm also going to do a video on domain flipping later today, and also tutorials on both of these stuff. So yeah, I'll check you guys in the next video.